were a boy, even just for a day, I wore out of bed in the morning, unsure what I wanted to go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I kick it with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, 'cause it's taken from me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. I would feel to love a girl, I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, 'cause it's taking you for granted, and everything you had was destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn up my phone, tell everyone it's broken, so the thing that I was living